country, baby, do you wanna go? Well, I'm going to the country, do you wanna go? I'm going to some place I ain't never been before.
How we doing? Captain Kobe coming at you live from the great state of Alaska. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is not Louisiana, in case you hadn't figured that out yet. And when I think about Alaska, I think about a lot of things, but one of the things staples over here is salmon, right?
That's a fact.
That's a fact. And today we're gonna cook up some salmon for you. But before we get going, I want to introduce y'all to a very old friend of mine. We served together in Desert Storm, Mr. Mike Toms.
Hello, YouTube.
And believe it or not, Mike Toms is from the great state of Louisiana. That's right, he's from North Louisiana.
That's a fact.
We won't hold that against you, Mike. That's all right, man. And Mike moved over here
1993.
1993 when we departed from the Navy, right? I got out in 93 as well. And Mike's been here ever since. Now, Alaska's been a bucket list thing for me, a lifelong dream to get over here. I am super excited that I'm here. We went fishing. We caught some beautiful fish. And I'm excited to share that with y'all. I'm excited to share this beautiful scenery with y'all. So stay tuned. We'll get Mike lined up and let you know everything you need to know to make this salmon.
Right on.
All right, stay tuned. All right, everybody. Mike, I know you're from Louisiana and you love Louisiana spice. I know you got some Captain Kobe's Cajun season. I shipped that all the way up here to you. Let everybody know how you make your salmon.
Well, I like to keep mine simple.
Okay.
Basically use a little onion, a little garlic, and some lemon.
Right.
And I do like to use some
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Yep.
And let it sink in there a little bit. And I like to top it off with the Cajun seasoning.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up, Mike, because I don't know if a lot of people out there know, I do have a barbecue rub. It's a Cajun barbecue rub. It's a sweet heat. It's made with Louisiana cane sugar, and it got a good little kick to it as well. And we are in Hope, Alaska. What a great place to be, and what a great place to introduce my Cajun rub, because I hope you buy some, right? And I hope you try it. So we're gonna get going on this right here. Mike, you want to cut them onions up, and I'll prep the fish. What I'm gonna do is Mike does kind of his on top. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna kind of put a little Cajun twist on there. We're gonna cut a little slits in there. We're gonna make us some onions, cut us some onions and some garlic really fine, and kind of stuff that in there. Top it off with everything else, and we'll get moving. So Mike, get that cut up, and I'll get this slitted up.
I'm gone where the water tastes like wine. Well, I'm gone where the water tastes like wine.
How that ulu working for you?
It works all right, as long as you keep your finger out of the way.
Stuff it up a little bit, and we'll just add the garlic on top of that after. All right, let's get that garlic cut up. Put a little bit of garlic on top of here. Good fresh garlic, that's the best. All right, now that we got our fish stuffed up right here, we're gonna go take it to our next process. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of this Worcestershire sauce on there. And then I'm gonna get Mike to come back behind me and just hit it with that lemon. And then we're gonna season that heavy. That barbecue rub is fantastic. We're gonna come in, hopefully get a good crust on there while it's on the pit. I know you don't want to cook that salmon too long on there, but we'll see what we can get out of that. This is our first attempt. All right, but come on, get a close shot in here. I want to show everybody how we season this. I want it pretty heavy.
Well, I'm going to the city, I got to get away. All this fussing and fighting, you know I just can't stay.
Mike, what you thinking about that?
That's looking about right.
Looking all right?
Do like it heavy.
All right, and we're gonna I don't know if y'all know, we're in the middle of the river right here on a little island right here. We did that to bring y'all a fantastic shot. we're gonna carry this stuff back across the river and get it cooking in the pit. All right, we ready to roll. We got our pit fired up. We got it going, and we are about to put these salmon on here. See what we got right here. Might have to bend these up a little bit to make that work. Goddamn, man.
There you go.
Oh yeah, look at that. A little Alaskan ingenuity right there.
There you go.
Maybe. Close enough. All right, we're gonna let it cook. We'll be right back. Show you how they came out. All right, everybody, moment of truth. We're gonna check our stuff. I fibbed a little bit. I already checked it. It looks like we're ready to go. I want to show y'all what that looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna get that crust I really wanted, but you want to make sure this fish is firm. Okay, you don't want to overcook it, but it's pretty firm in there. Looks perfect, and there's only one thing that's better than fresh salmon from Alaska.
What's that?
Fresh salmon from Alaska with some boudin from Louisiana, baby. That's right. Captain Cooper travels with his boudin. We're gonna throw this on the pit, and we having boudin and salmon for breakfast. Stay tuned.
I gotta pack it up and then you know I gotta get away.
All right, everybody, we here. Moment of truth. I did not cheat and taste this time, so we're all gonna find out together how great the salmon came out. And like I said, you know, we got to bring a little bit of Louisiana into this picture with a little bit of boudin. So, Mike, let's see what we got.
That's good right there.
That's really good. I like the sweet with it. Got that sweet heat with it, with a little bit of the onions in there. Man, what you think the rest of Alaska's doing today? You're right. I want to introduce Miss Mary Tom. This is Mike's lovely wife, and I want to thank him for showing us a fantastic time out here in Alaska. We had a great time. Man, like I said, one of my dream trips, bucket list things to do, and it has met and exceeded all my expectations. So, if you out there, you got some salmon. I don't know if you're gonna get some fresh one out here from Alaska, but if you get some salmon, get you some Captain Kobe's rub. Follow this recipe. It is fantastic. And like we always say, keep cooking and we'll see you